Good morning.
Scotty.
Morning. Yeah, when Scotty arrives, you always wonder what's happening. And then we saw all these prizes, so it looked pretty exciting.
How much do we love Kitchen Week?
Yeah.
We love Kitchen Week because it's a celebration of the heart of the home, isn't it?
It is.
And what better way to celebrate the heart of the home than a chocolate wheel? Wow, and have a look at the prizes on that chocolate wheel. Our very good mates at Kinsman have supplied all of these prizes.
Lots of prizes.
Lots of prizes
Lots
there.
of good prizes, cash,
Yeah.
mirror TVs.
Night with Neil.
What did a night with Neil entail? I don't know if I want to know.
Kingsman wanted to put like 10,000 bucks on every pie, but I wanted to put some prizes on as well. And you know how much I love to stir the pot?
Yeah, you do.
There's a wooden spoon. Oh, no. Now, I need you to nominate one person from your team that is going to spin the wheel.
To choose the person to go first, we had to get our temperature checked. And the person with the lowest temperature got to go first.
And my lovely wife was the coldest person.
36.0.
Love those cold, clammy hands.
Being cold.
All right. Go, Sarah. Let's go. Go, Sarah.
And old Sarah spun the lucky wheel, and what did she win? A cutlery set.
Knives and forks valued at $50.
What upset me the most is that it said $59.95.
No, $49.95. And then you turn the
$49.95?
packet, and it was actually $39.95.
$10 cheaper than what I... Like, I'm going to hit someone up and get my 10 bucks back
Yeah?
because that's unfair.
What'd you spend the 10 bucks on?
McDonald's?
Rightio, buddy.
Come, babe.
Nah, mate, only a small one for me.
Oh, look at him.
I remember very clearly what everyone won. Dan and Jade won a TV, none of the mirrored ones, they're not cheap. Tash won $3,000 at the block shop. Good option, that's fantastic.
And you wouldn't believe it, the team with the most money just won even more.
Tell you what.
Just what everyone wanted to see.
Yeah,
in our
just
bank.
wanted everyone wanted to see.
Here you go, 5,000 cash, that's yours.
Thank you so much.
Bye, Dan.
You know, as soon as Tam won the 5, I was like, far out, man.
And then they had got $2,000 from Jazz and Luke too, so they got 7 like that.
Yeah, I didn't even win a room. So...
This is the last spin of the day. 10,000 bucks is still there. And the spoon is still there.
Oh, missed it. Oh, the food and wine package.
Food and wine package. Valued at $250. It's a ripper.
You know what I have here? The next winner's a grinner's dinner. This is a sign.
I'd like to say we're going to go round again, but we are not. It's back to work, and the 10,000 bucks is mine. See you later.
Thanks,
Oh, what a shame.